you need to hide a hickey, the easiest solution is to cover it up with clothes or accessories. Good options include turtlenecks, collared shirts, jackets, and scarves. If the weather is too warm to wear layers, you can cover up your hickey with makeup instead. Use a makeup brush to apply a thin layer of yellow correcting concealer over the purple areas of the hickey. If your hickey has any red in it, dab a bit of green color correcting concealer over those spots to neutralize the color. Then, use a makeup brush to apply a thin layer of regular concealer that matches your skin tone over the entire hickey. Use the brush or your fingers to blend out the edges so you don't have any harsh makeup lines. If you want to make a new hickey look less noticeable, try wrapping an ice pack in a clean cloth and placing it over the affected area for 20 minutes. You can ice the hickey several times a day as long as you wait 1 to 2 hours in between applications. After you've had the hickey for 48 hours, try applying a warm compress to increase blood flow and promote healing. Place a heating pad or cloth soaked in warm water over the affected area for 20 minutes. You can repeat this several times a day, as long as you give your skin a chance to return to normal temperature after each application. How long your hickey lasts depends on how dark the bruise is, but most hickeys fade completely within 10 to 14 days.